This is Captain A380 once again with another aircraft review. This time, People's Express 747. See the nice profile of the 747. Alright, let's begin the cockpit. And coming down to the L1 door, right there. Then the People's Express livery. And the 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. Let's move alongside the first of the leading edge of the 747. Now the tail section. The registry number of this aircraft is N900PE. The People's Express tail, the APU housing, now we're on the port starboard side section of the aircraft. The registration number, and over alongside up to the starboard side of the aircraft. People's Express was started in 1983 out of Buffalo, New York. They had numerous destinations, and they had their first fleet. Well, their main fleet consisted of 727s and 737s. Buffalo, Newark, and New York. They had numerous destinations that included Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, and several other destinations. And People's Express was the first to fly internationally when they received their first 747 in 1984. Now, People's Express flew out of Newark Liberty International Airport in New Jersey. Now, in January of 1987, People's Express was acquired by Continental Airlines. This aircraft later went to Tower Air and then went into retirement at Mojave Airport in Mojave, California, where the aircraft was